The future of mobility is here. Join us today at the Manila International Auto Show as it celebrates its 20th year edition here at the World Trade Center from April 10 to 13, 2025. Welcome to Kia Movement, where innovation drives you forward. Let's go. The award-winning Kia EV9 redefines electric luxury with up to 505 kilometers of range and ultra-fast 350 kilowatt charging. Kia EVs are built for those who are in charge and look for finer things in life. This is actually the perfect choice in maximizing fast charging facilities because AC Mobility also plans to roll out further in the future. Take a test drive of Kia models, reserve your own, get special deals and offers, and see how Kia is shaping the future of driving today. Only at the Kia Movement and AC Mobility booth at the Manila International Auto Show from April 10 to 13, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Experience the movement that inspires. Kia Movement goes beyond just the drive. It's over the innovation, technology, and future-ready infrastructure that power every journey.